Welcome to Weldspeed. Today we're going to run you through the process of developing, manufacturing and fabricating one of our intake manifolds. Our first step is taking precise measurements to ensure an OEM-like fitment. Next is the process of design and prototyping. This process goes on as long as necessary prior to final manufacturing, making sure that our parts are perfect. Once happy with our final designs, our intake manifold runner bases and plenums are precision CNC machined from billet aluminium. We offer both full billet construction as well as fabricated sheet metal plenum options depending on the customer's application and budget. Now for the fun part. Here at Weldspeed, we're known for our detailed approach to fabrication. We tackle the fabrication of each of our products in the same way, with precision and attention to detail, ensuring that our fabrication methods are second to none. We'll let the dimes do the talking. Our hybrid manifolds combine the use of CNC machined 6061 T6 runners with our unique fold-formed 3mm thick plenums. The plenums are made from 5052 H34 aluminium alloy. This combination allows us to produce a high-strength part at an affordable price. The Weldspeed all billet manifolds use the same runners, but with the key difference being that they feature a 5mm thick CNC machined billet plenum, making them a true all billet manifold. Once completely fabricated, we offer options of finish including natural, polished and powder coated. All of our intake manifolds are made to order. For any inquiries specific to your own project, you can contact us through our social media pages or website. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, stay tuned.